Anong galing?
Yeah, congratulations.
Boy! Congrats! Daw.
Wala ko ya. Kuya, alagyan pa kayo tayo ng mga ganda.
Congrats! Alagaan mo anak ko.
Wala tayo yan.
Parang tagal na naman mga pangasawa mo.
Paano tayo?
Grabe naman. Pag yung mga babae, wala pa rin. Sobrang... Ano ba yung sabay-sabay dumadating?
Alam ko, una muna yung mga... tagal na tao mo. Bride.
Bagay yun, parang tama-tama sila. Si Mama.
I see you smiling back at me. It's like all my dreams come true. I am afraid if I lost you, girl, I'd fall through the cracks and lose my track in this crazy, lonely world. Sometimes it's so hard to believe when the nights can be so long, and faith gave me the strength and kept me going on. You are the love of my life, and I'm so glad you found me. You are the love of my life. Baby, put your arms around me. I guess this is how it feels when you finally find something real. My angel in the night, you are my love, the love of my life. You are the love of my life. Baby, put your arms around me. I guess this is how it feels when you finally find something real. My angel in the night, you are my love, the love of my life. You are the love of my life, and I'm so glad you found me. You are the love of my life. Baby, put your arms around me. I guess this is how it feels when you finally find something real. My angel in the night, you are my love.
Wala naman, ituloy na
My
ako
angel
niya
in
ng
the night, you are my
tayo lahat.
the love of my life.
Ikaw, Rod Salcedo, natanggap mo bang maging kabiyak ng iyong pusang sinubos binigyan ng kapo? Sa hirap at ginawa, at magiging tapat sa kanya na mahalin siya ng panghabang buhay.
Ako po.
Ano na tagpama?
Here we stand today, like we always dreamed, starting out our life together. The light is in your eyes, love is in our hearts. I can't believe you're really mine forever. Been rehearsing for this moment all my life, so don't act surprised if the feeling starts to carry me away. On this day, I promise forever
Okay, now, here's the bride.
I surrender my heart. Here I stand. Take my hand, and I will honor every word I say. I've been rehearsing for this moment all my life. Make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you.
Ito na final eh. Message.
I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches. Build you a fire if the furnace breaks. So it could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink. Put you to bed when you've had too much to drink. Oh, I could be the man who grows old with you. I wanna grow.
Well, family picture.